Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's the trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star Trading Room in SRPT. Been one of our favorites here lately. And at opening, it had just been going around at low volume. And then just after 11 o'clock, it began to this big, huge, almost bear pullback. And now it's low basing here at 33.90 as its support. So we're going to set an order down below that and see what happened next. There were restrictions on this stock for shorting in that you had to do it on the uptick only at my broker. So I had the order set and I had to, boom, there we go. Look at that. Fell all the way down here, but it did bounce around a little on the way down, and I got in short at $33.59. But my order was set much higher, but it had to be on the uptick. Let's pull this up here and see what happened next. And it's starting to fall. So now we've got a break of a low base. Now it's low basing again with 33.30 as a support. Comes over to a line of resistance, which would be the 8 EMA in this case. And begins to drop again, but again this 33.30 something is still support. And now, you know, on this large move down, there was a lot of volume. Now the volume dried up here. It's getting to be 11:30. People are starting to go to lunch on the market, and bam! Look at that, down here to the $33 area. Bam! Look at that, 32.60. It was touched. And now we're cooking. Now it's going to this is a mini bear pullback where it comes up here and bam! Look at that. All right, it's great to be short here. And then it pulls up real high to this 8 EMA is, look at that. Every time it's not closing above that. It's doing a great job of acting as resistance. It goes up and then bam! Look at that. Falls again, pulls up. And right to the 8 EMA again. Bam! Falls down. And then bam! All the way down here to 32.10. Look at it. It's actually starting to form a low base, kind of a bull pullback, all rolled into one. Basically, very bearish. And moving along. Now it's up here. It closed above this 8 EMA. And again, the volume, it started to taper off. Oh, and then it quickly jumped up here just on one or two sales and then started to pull back. So I took out half here at 32.60 for 3.0%. I'm still short half. Let's see what happened next. Okay, now it's back down below the 20 as well as the 8 EMA here. And it goes, it's starting to go back up, and since it closed above there, I went ahead and I got out at 32.40 for 3.5%. So the total trade from short here with half out here and the other half out right here was for 3.25% in 35 minutes. And then let's see what happened after that. It just kind of stayed on this support line of 32.20-ish something for a long time, and then later on it did drop hard. Well, these are the kinds of trades that we're doing in the Grok Star room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just come to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chat room page, and down below is where you can sign up for that free trial. Well, according to Tony Turner in her book, The Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online, there's only 2 rules for trading. Rule number 1, protect your principal. Rule number 2, trade to trade well. Trade well, everyone.